Just change the image. All
How?
right. Good morning, world. Happy Friday. We are live. Welcome. It's real Tyson. How are you guys?
Good. Welcome, guys. Morning.
What is up?
So you know what this is about today. We're all inside of the TechStart ecosystem. We're all using the CRM. And man, we've been waiting for this for a long time. We've never talked about it, but we have the ability to instantly add stores to our websites now. Um, that's super cool. Tyson, like, what do you think about that?
Yeah, man, super stoked because yesterday when we were talking about it, and it was fully functioning. I'm like, wow, this is incredible because it kind of eliminates like this Shopify piece, and it can be directly integrated into the site. It's fantastic.
Yeah, yeah. I feel like we have so many use cases and so many clients who are going to be able to put this to use. And like you said, we don't even have to use Shopify, which is insane. Folks, for those of you watching, this is we're going to start doing these regular updates more often, where we're just going to be reviewing new features and software available within TechStart, and just show you how it works, get it rocking. And so that's what we're going to do today. So if you have any questions, just feel free to drop in. But we're going to do a quick walkthrough of how this feature works. In order for you to do this, you are going to need a TechStart CRM account, and you're going to want to have a website already, and you're going to want to have a payment processor. Those things will make things a lot faster, but if you need support, we've got your back. So without further ado, let's get into the system. All right, gents, let me know if you guys see my screen. Cool. So this is the TechStart CRM. We're logged in, and I'm under sites, and we're under websites, and I got this just a blank site up, ready to rock and roll. So let's create from blank and see where this store feature lives. Okay, so now we got an empty website. So boom. To activate the store feature is really straightforward. We're just going to go ahead and hit add a new section, and we've got store, and bam, look at that, instantly generating an entire store to add to the site. And this comes at no extra cost too. So if you're a TechStart member, you're going to have access to this. You're just going to have to learn how to navigate it.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy,
The
bro.
next level, guys.
Look at this.
Boom, the store is added. So now we got a couple pages that we got to pay attention to. We got a product list page. We got a product details page. We got a cart page, the checkout page. There we go. Right. So this is completely functional now. If I hit preview, what's going to happen is, there we go. We have something super basic.
Super dope.
Yeah, super straightforward. Obviously, you're going to want to switch out the images. You're going to want to play with the titles and descriptions of your products. So go ahead and add that. Add the cart. Boom. It's now in the cart. We can have multiple things in the cart, and we can take it all the way through checkout. Boom. Take payment. So one thing that's missing here that I think folks need to have for a good store is just some quick design elements. So I'm going to do a quick design hack for you guys, and then I'll show you where to update the payment information. But the design hack that I'm talking about is we're just going to go ahead. We're going to add a new section. We're going to throw it to the top, and what we're going to do is let's go ahead and just give it a quick background color, maybe yellow, orange. Throw in a column, throw in a headline. Welcome to my store. Boom. I'm just keeping it super simple. What I want to show you is this hack right here. If I save this section, boom, global sections, y'all. If you use global sections, I'm going to call this global header, and I'm going to add it to global sections. What I love about global sections is that now that it turned purple, it's on my product details page, but I can go ahead and copy and paste the section to my store front page and to my cart checkout page. And so the application here is you want to have a header that's going to have your logo and your menu and your headline. And when you use a global section, you can apply that same section across all of the pages in your site. And anytime you're going to make a change to any one of them, they're all going to be changed. And it's just going to help you keep your site consistent in terms of brand design. Really straightforward. Obviously, you're going to want to design that further. But do you guys have any questions? I mean, do you guys want to see anything else within this this layout here?
You gotta leave a comment below. Did Elias disappear?
Dude, he just dipped.
He just dipped, guys.
Was like, hey,
Yeah, he
let
just dipped.
me demo it and dip. That's the new thing. Every Friday, we're gonna demo and dip. That's I was just telling you update. Demo and dip. You know?
Yeah.
Just disappeared 5 minutes ago, 5 seconds, and he just came back, guys.
Yeah. Whoops. But no, I'm so glad StreamYard is cool and kept the stream going and everything. So that's
it's really cool because the functionalities and the design of the page itself can, be easily used on multiple pages, just like what Elias mentioned regarding creating a global section. It's a really key component to maximizing your time when building out sites. But if you guys need support with building sites or building these funnels, we're here.
absolutely.
And it's gonna change the game. It's gonna make it more easier for anyone now. After Elias showing this, I think it's gonna change the game to a different level.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, thank you guys. I mean, like, shoot, now, so many times, the real application here is like we build a lot of sales funnels, and now we're at a point where we have like multiple sales funnels under different businesses, and there's like multiple products to sell, which is amazing. Like with TechStart, we have our marketplace, right? We have websites, graphic design, email marketing, all these like a la carte options. But it was tougher for people to combine multiple options because you'd have to kind of do that manually. But now we can just display all that in a store, and people can go ahead and add that in on their own. One other thing I just want to point out, really easy here. I'm going to go ahead and switch over the screen one more time. Is we also, in terms of like how to add the actual product into here, again, you're going to need to be in the system. One other cool thing about the system is it's all in one place. You don't have to like log in to a bunch of different apps, but you're going to pop over to your payments and pop over to products. Then you can import all your products from Stripe, or you just create them directly here. And you can see with TechStart, we've got a bunch of products and services already. But what I want to do is I just want to click on a product, and we've got this toggle here to decide if we want to include it in the online store or not. And then we can update, the description and the text and the pricing, and obviously throw in an image. And then all of this goes ahead and gets updated inside of the product page. And so it's super straightforward. Those are pretty much the only two things you really need to know to get your store going. Is go into the site, literally click one button called store, and then design it so that it looks good, and then update your products. Once you do those things, you pretty much have a fully functioning e-commerce site ready to go. And so that's pretty much the preview, folks. Tyson, Cyril, and I, we're jamming on some stores, for our clients. And so, maybe in the next week or two, Tyson, we can jump back on and we can like showcase a store for like Kaya or TechStart or whichever gets completed first.
Yeah, absolutely. That'd be great.
Sweet. Yeah. That was, pretty much the update for our online stores. Is there anything else you guys want to dig into?
No, I think that's solid,
Well,
man.
when,
I think that feature,
a lot of people-
that additional store feature is going to be a absolute must.
Yeah,
for sure.
No, I think the store feature will change, make the difference between different CRMs that are out there. It makes it, not a lot of CRM companies have that, and I think that's like that's gonna be a big difference between TechStart and different companies out there.
Yep. As a passion project, I know some folks that may be watching this later are really into, I know we got some TechStart members that are really into designing clothes and jackets and stuff like that. And so Printify is a great solution for products for e-commerce. And so I'm excited to get like my backpack up on the store, and then some other cool merch that's going to be like custom branded. And so you can even do custom merch for your brand, for your business. And it's never been easier, which is insane.
You don't have to make a Shopify account no more.
Yeah. Cool. Alrighty, guys. Well, hey, it's Friday. Let's get it. We've got things to do. Thank you so much for jumping in.
I'll see you guys.
Peace.